Hi guys, today's Tilesporcelain Limited again up in the northeast. Just want to show you one of our wood effect style. We've got a massive wood effect range. This is our curly oak honey, product code WEP7 with the honey look on it. Porcelain all the way through, so can withstand any kind of things you want to put on it, even cars. So kitchens, suitable bathrooms, a matte finish tile. Get in touch, loads of stock. If you want a sample, www.tilesporcelain.co.uk 0191 429 0279. And I'm just going to get the camera spun round to show you like what a wood effect tile will look like. These are a different tile, but this is the sort of effect you're going to get when you are laying a wood effect plank, as opposed to just seeing them on the stand with me showing you this. Anyway, have a good day guys. Get in touch if you need some samples. As I've said previously, what the phone number and the address is. And ciao for now.